Hi, and welcome back. I think tonight, got a little bit of time out here. We're gonna try to drill the support braces for spot welds and punch holes in that new pan, and we'll take this flange part down and go ahead and punch holes in it. And if everything goes good, we'll be able to attach everything back and see metal through our spot weld drill holes and stuff. That's the plan today, is get those done so they'll be ready for when we get ready to weld them in. And I don't think we'll get there today, but if we do, we'll dry fit the inner rocker over those, and hopefully by the end of this week or next week we'll be able to fit that and come in with kick panel and try to put that on there too. But my main objective today is to punch the holes for spot welds in the new pan and drill holes out for spot welds on the braces and put everything else back in, and hopefully everything will line up how we have it. We do need to make template pieces. I don't know if we'll get that far today. That might be video for Wednesday, Friday. So if we don't get them today, we'll get them next time. But we're gonna concentrate on these two pans, getting them drilled and fitted back in again. So let's head over there and I'll a little bit more in depth what we're gonna do today. I think we did all right. You can see we can see through to metal all the way through. That little hole right there is where I actually drilled through with the spot weld cutter. So we'll fill that up a little bit. But I don't think we missed. This is, yeah, we missed there. So let's have to just plug those. The brace doesn't go all the way to the end, so that was just a wasted hole. And over here, you can see that weld through primer coming through. Those we'll just have to weld those up. Those are the ones that broke. Same way with I think that hole, maybe. I'm not sure, but anyways. So it looking pretty good. Too, I'm gonna have him, if he can, try to fill this up. I need to hammer down a little bit through there, but I think it looks pretty good. Next, we'll have to take this back out, punch through here, up there, across there, a little bit right there, and all the way through here. And we'll punch this to take this off and punch this piece all the way down. And then we'll be, I think we'll be ready. I might go ahead and punch this piece too, maybe. But anyways, I think it looks pretty good. I'm happy. But drilling those took longer than I thought again. So I think I'm gonna call it a day here. Well, I think I'm gonna call it a day. Sun's getting low. Need to go and see the wife and kids for a little bit before it gets to be bedtime. But we drilled the support braces out, which surprised we actually hit them on the first try, so that's good. And then everything went back the way it should. I think next time we'll pop these two, the piece we made and that piece off, punch some holes in them, and then I'm gonna flip these over and spray, I don't think I have that, spray some of that weld through primer on the backs of these pans, especially where the braces are and where any kind of metal is going to meet up together. Especially on this piece. This piece, I believe, is just untreated steel, so it's going to want to start to rust. So we'll get that bottom of it coated pretty good. And that may be it for next time. Because I don't want to, I'll let them dry before I screw them back in. And then those will be ready to be welded, I believe. So hopefully next time, before we do the painting, we'll dry fit the inner rocker. Might cut it and try to position it where it needs to be. Cut it through here. And if we can get that attached, then we'll spray some weld through primer on it too and have that ready to weld. So hopefully I can get him to come up here and help me beginning of next week. And it may just be a video of him or me just spot welding all these up. And that'll be really awesome. I don't know for sure if he is going to come or not, but he's a very, very good welder. He knows what he's doing, and he knows these machines better than me. So I'm going to at least get him to try to teach me, and I might see if he wants to just do it. I mean, if he'll do it, then I know I'll have some good solid welds. But anyways, I haven't talked to him yet, but I'm hoping he will. If not, we'll just try our best and get this side buttoned up. Hopefully by next week, this all will be welded in. Is my plan. You know how plans are, though; they can change in a heartbeat. So, but anyways, thanks for watching. I know it's kind of, like I said last video, just it's just something I have to do. I mean, like I said, I'm going to take y'all through every step I go through to restore this, and some of these are just going to be kind of repetitive videos, like more fitment and maneuver and stuff. I mean, it is what it is. But hopefully we'll get to more exciting things, like getting this side together and then putting the kick panel and door pillar and the outer rocker on, and then this side will be done, hopefully. But anyways, if you're new to the channel, I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, something on the Bronco. I'm gonna get this done first. I actually am a lot further than I thought I'd be. I didn't think I'd be this far along at this time, so kind of ahead of schedule. I think we can get this side done before next year, before January. At least that's my #1 goal, is to have, you know, inner outer rocker on, these pans welded in, kick panel, and the door pillar all attached to the Bronco. And I got 2 new doors we can put on there and make sure the gaps are right. And 2, I got diagrams to show the spacing and everything else. So we'll get those on hopefully before next year, and then we'll flip it around and do the same thing to the driver's side. But anyways, thanks again if you made it this far. Next time we'll be punching spot weld holes and seeing how this inner rocker fits up. If I got time, next video we'll fit it up and hopefully get it in there. But anyways, I'll see you on the next.